हेलो,
हेलो।
हेलो, हेलो।
हेलो। हेलो। Hello.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Good evening, everyone. A warm welcome to all the respected professors and dear friends. Myself, Shruti.
And I am Nandita.
Today we have gathered here to celebrate a day dedicated to the guiding lights of our life, our teachers. This is a special occasion to express a gratitude to all the mentors who have shaped our minds and inspired our hearts.
It is said that teaching is the profession that creates all other professions. Teachers are the architects of our society, building the future with their knowledge, wisdom, and endless patience. As we begin this celebration, let us take a moment to appreciate the hard work and dedication that each teacher puts in every day. Let's give them a big round of applause.
So we would like to extend a heartfelt welcome to all the faculty members who have joined us today. Your presence makes this event truly special. Before we delve into the heart of our celebration, let us seek the blessing of Goddess of Knowledge, Music and Wisdom, Ma Saraswati.
To invoke her blessings today, we shall now have the Saraswati Vandana. I would like to call Swarnagata. She leads us in the Saraswati Vandana. Please welcome her with a round of applause.
Hello. जय जगदीश्वरी माता सरस्वती जय जगदीश्वरी माता सरस्वती शरणागत प्रतिपालन हारी शरणागत प्रतिपालन हारी जय जगदीश्वरी जय जगदीश्वरी जय जगदीश्वरी वीणा में आंग में सोहे वीणा में आंग सोहे समगीत ध्वनि मधुर प्यारी भक्त जन सब दास तुम्हारो दे दर्शन ब्रह्म दुलारी जय जगदीश्वरी जय जगदीश्वरी जय जगदीश्वरी जय जगदीश्वरी जय जगदीश्वरी.
Thank you, Sharnagata. Next, we would like to invite Head of Center, Professor Soumyajit De sir, to deliver the welcome speech. Please join me in welcoming him to the stage.
First of all, let me thank Rahul and all the research scholars in the department for conducting the event, because I can understand that all these decorations and the entire arrangement, it takes time and effort. So thank you all for doing all these things for us. And as we all know that a department runs properly only when all the cogs and wheels are in proper space. For example, the supercomputer that we have, its chiller, generator, and everything. We and and everybody knows here that since it's an old system, there are often issues which Mr. Patel and all the other staffs, of course, Devnath from CIC, they are giving a lot of effort into that, and which is actually helping the research scholars in getting their day-to-day work done. And of course, we have got immense support from faculty members from various departments who are part of this place, and also the ex-HOD and the current associate Somnath Rai. So thank you all for being a part of this journey that we are having. Some of us got pulled into the journey in between, and some of us had been here from the start. So everybody has done something in their part. That's why we have a running department with, I would say, a thriving research program. Because if you look into our HPC website, the set of publications, high impact publications, etc., we have got grave reviews. So I would just like to tell this to all of you that our center right now, in terms of HPC activities, is ranked within the top 3. The other 2 being like Kanpur and IISc. So that, of course, that must have happened because you guys are working. You must be doing something, right? Otherwise, this could not have happened, right? So I believe that that's really a cause for celebration. So I thought I will communicate this to you. Now, on the eve of Teachers' Day, as we all know, that is a day when we pay our respects to people who have imparted some kind of knowledge to us, maybe in the form of some courses, maybe in terms of supervising some research activity, or maybe in any other ways, right? Because teaching is a continuous process, and teaching happens in several ways. I mean, I can simply say that there are institute staffs from whom I have learned certain things. It's not a part of a curriculum, but I have learned certain things, right? So, in general, if I think that Teachers' Day is a day on which we pay our respect to anybody who have taught us something good in life, right? So, it's also a day on which we memorize our teachers who have done something for us and helped us be at positions where we are now currently. So I will just keep it very short. I hope all of you get whatever things you are targeting in life, be it a good academic position, be some high impact journals through which you get to those positions, some industrial positions where you want to have some product design done, etc. So whatever academic and other achievements you plan, I wish you all the best, and let's hope that throughout your journey we can contribute in some way as part of this department. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we would like to invite our departmental representative to say few words. Let's hear from Shubhronil.
Good evening to every one of you. We get together on this Teachers' Day to honor the amazing educators who shape our minds, guide our careers, and motivate us to be the best version of ourselves. As a representative of all the scholars of CCDS, I would like to take a moment to discuss a bond that we all research scholars and supervisors have during our academic journeys. From the time when we were in the elementary school to the present time when we are pursuing doctoral degrees, teachers have always supported us and helped us study. They have instilled in us a curiosity and a quest for knowledge, helping us to make sense of the world. However, our bond with our mentors shift when we become research academics. Our supervisors are now more than simply our instructors. They are our collaborators, advisors, and occasionally even fellow students. Mutual respect, trust, and an enduring passion for learning are the foundations of this partnership. Supervisors support us in thinking independently and pushing us to solve problems on our own while guiding us through the unknown. They stretch our limits and force us to think critically. In this cooperation, both parties gain knowledge and develop mutually. In addition to providing academic support, our supervisors frequently serve as our strongest allies, providing moral support during difficult times. They support us at every turn and are aware of the highs and lows associated with the research. I, therefore, on behalf of all the scholars, want to express my sincere gratitude to all the supervisors on this Teachers' Day. We are grateful that you are mentors who believe in us, push us, and open our eyes to fresh perspectives on the world. Going beyond your role as a professor, your influence is felt well beyond the classroom, influencing us to become tomorrow's leaders and thinkers. Greetings on Teachers' Day to all our amazing mentors and educators. Thank you.
Thank you, Shubhronil.
Now it's time to honor the heroes of the day, our teachers, who will present small gifts to our beloved teachers. May I request our head of the center, Professor Somojit Desar, please come forward and receive the honor. Please come. I would like to invite Shubhronil to present the honor.
May I request our Associate Head of the Department, Professor Somnath Sir, to come forward, and I would like to invite Debojyoti to present.
May I request Professor Pavitra Mitra sir to please come forward and receive the honor. I would like to invite Anamika to present.
May I request Professor Chittaranjan Mandal Sir to please come forward, and I would like to invite Somrita to present the honor.
May I request Professor Pralay Mitra sir to please come forward and receive the honor. I would like to invite Divya to present.
May I request Professor Sanjay Majumdar sir to please come forward. And I would like to invite Sabyasachi Mukhopadhyay Da to come present.
May I request Professor Sandeep Reddy sir to please come forward and receive the honor. I would like to invite Rahul Da to present.
May I request Professor Aritra Hajra sir to please come forward. Okay. So moving forward. So may I request Professor Rajaram Lakkaraju sir to please come forward, and we would like to invite Krishna Priya to present.
May I request Professor Sunil Manohar Das sir to please come forward and receive the honor. I would like to invite Shubhro to present.
So what is a celebration without some music and entertainment? We have an exciting performance prepared by our talented scholars. Please give them a big round of applause. ख्वाबों में थी मंजिल, आज वो हकीकत बन गई। आईआईटी का द्वार खुला, खुशियों की सौगात बन गई।
रातों की नींदें छूटी, दिन भी अब किताबों में खो गए। सपनों का पीछा करते करते हम खुद से ही दूर हो गए।
हर राह पे उलझन है, फैसला लेना आसान नहीं, एक विषय का चयन जैसे जिंदगी का चुनाव है वही।
पहला पेपर सबमिट हुआ, खुशी की लहर है छाई, मेहनत का फल मिला, एक नई उम्मीद आई।
पहली बार पेपर रिजेक्ट हुआ, दिल दर्द से भर गया, निराशा छाई, विश्वास टूटा, मन खुद से ही रूठा।
दर्द की इस कहानी में एक और अध्याय लिखा गया, सच्चाई की राहों पे एक और रास्ता बन पाया गया।
मिला पेपर एक्सेप्ट हुआ, खुशी से दिल भर गया, मेहनत का फल मिला, सपने सच कर गया।
आज मैं ऊपर, आसमान नीचे, आज मैं आगे, जमाना पीछे। आज मैं ऊपर, आसमान नीचे, आज मैं आगे, जमाना पीछे। जमी को बुला, ला 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 ला, अब मैं क्या करूं? ला 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 ला, चलूं सीधी की उल्टी चलूं। आज मैं ऊपर, आसमान नीचे, आज मैं आगे, जमाना पीछे।
मेहनत की राहों पे जुनून का सिलसिला चलता रहे, कहानी का हर अध्याय नया, हर जुनून का सफर जारी रहे।
पूरे दिल से मिलता है वो मुश्किल से, ऐसा जो कोई नहीं है, बस वही सबसे हंसी है। उस हाथ को तुम थाम लो, वो मेहरबान कल हो ना हो। हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव में कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी। हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो ना हो। हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो ना हो।
थीसिस लिखने में रात दिन गुजर रहे हैं, नौकरी की तलाश में सपने बिखर रहे हैं, हर एक नए मोड़ पर नया सवाल, जिंदगी की ये कहानी है। सफलता के बाद भी टेंशन का रास्ता अब भी जारी है।
बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल को अपने जीने दो, जीने दो। बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल को अपने जीने दो, जीने दो। ना 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 ना
What an amazing performance. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Now, I would like to invite our Associate Head of the Center, Somnath Sir, to say a few words.
Yeah. No, no, not 3. Yeah, tier 3. Okay. No, so very nice performance. Well, as I watched last few days, this room was closed. in the evening, and some sounds are coming out when I was going to my office. So I realized what happened. Uh, regarding, I think regarding Teachers' Day, what I like to do, I used to wish everybody happy Teachers' Day, because for particular individual, the best teacher is himself or herself. Right? So self-learning is the best learning, and everybody is best teacher to him or her. So happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Thank you all. Thank you all.
Speech was very short.
Huh? So what can I just cannot remember anything. Let me see if I at all remember. So this, yeah, okay. So this is again Bengali, so somebody may have difficulty, or let me try something which is in a medieval language which was in between Bengali and Hindi, which is known as Brajabuli. मलय पवन चुमे मालती झमाए भूमे आवल फागमाहो आवल मधुमास आए फागमाहो आम्र मुकुले साजे बनशाके सुर भाजे पियले रंगाए नभ गाह तुहु गाह सोई तुहु असजनी बहे रूप सुरधुनी पर्वत झलकाए सिरे सिरे पर्वत झलकाए शीश हिम बाहो विधुर आंगिना पाशे सुखबासे दूरभासे दुख दिने भने सोम सपने समाहो.
Thank you, sir. Okay. And now it's time for the cake cutting ceremony. We invite all the faculty members to come forward and join us for the cake cutting ceremony. So your dedication and tireless efforts in shaping our future deserve this sweet celebration. So may I request all the professors to come forward? Sir, please join. Yes, sir. बोल दी।
On the count of 3, let's we all say Happy Teachers Day. Okay. Hmm. 3. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you all the teachers for being here today and for everything you do for us. The professors who couldn't come today, if their respective research scholars are here, then please collect the gift and the snacks packet on behalf of them, and please. With this, we come to the end of our celebration. Once again, we wish all our teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
May you continue to inspire us with your knowledge and wisdom. And thank you everyone for being a part of this wonderful event. Thank you.